Even the offcut looks magnificent, and I shared it on Instagram and Facebook, with a lot of people saying it looks like the Sydney Opera House. Right, here comes the big moment where I see how this opal faces and how big a stone we're going to get underneath there. Some of it doesn't have black potch on it, so it's a little bit concerning. Anyway, let's give it a go. I'm going in. Feeling a bit more confident on the finer wheel, I can press a little harder without taking risks and slowly take that top off. Oh, there's a little bit of colour just showing through just there. That's not the actual colour bar quite yet. All that white stuff in the potch. Strange. Oh, that colour popping out there is amazing. Just imagine if that colour was right across the whole stone. See glints of it coming through now. Come on. Oh, look at that. Just starting to come through. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that coming through. Oh my goodness, look at that. If that comes clean. Wow. Oh, every single time I touch this wheel, the pepper and the potch comes off. Come on, if all this comes out, we are on a winner. Come on, baby. Looking like it is. Wow. Oh, look at that. That's almost Harlequin pattern. Wow. Oh, Saxon, come and have a look at this. Check out that.
That's amazing.
That is incredible.
That's sick.
Oh, wow. Oh, that is super impressive. Super impressive. Oh.